Hey, what is up, guys? Wait, that's not me. That's... Here I am. What is up, guys? It's your boy GraRf, and today we're gonna be finishing, not finishing, but keep on building that one boat that we were doing in the stream. And, yeah, so let's go ahead and just get straight into it, see what we can get done today. I'm hoping to get, like, engine and stuff done, but we'll see how that goes. Okay, here we go. So, we got this done, if you didn't watch the stream. We got a pretty nice hull and a nice superstructure. So even though it's not really I wouldn't call it a superstructure, but... And then you have this nice wall right here, so hopefully you won't fall off the boat. And then some ladders with this back that you could jump off, I don't know. And then you can come in here, you got some seats, and then you come up to the helm area, and then you can also go downstairs. But right now, I think I'm just going to go ahead and build the engines. Let's go ahead and get some pipes. Okay, we already have pipes. Let's go ahead and get pumps. So we can get this little area right here finished. So, coolant in needs to be that way, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, then we can go ahead and this is coolant out, so we need to go and flip it. No, wrong way. Fluid out, yep. Go ahead and pump that down. Oh. And then we just grab a port and put it on there. Now we have the coolant all sorted out. Let's go ahead and get the exhaust. I'm thinking probably just take the exhaust straight down. Okay, coolant and exhaust are all figured out. Let's go ahead and get air done and over with. I'm thinking, what do we got right here? We would have to, okay. So maybe if we can get it into like right here. And then that can go and go along this way. Do you need pumps for air? I don't think you do. And then this can come up along this way. And then up along that. And then right there. Okay. We'll see. If it's not working, then it probably is air. Then we just go along like this. Put it like that. And bring it up. Alright, and then we just go grab a port. There it is. And we just put them up here. And now we should have airflow, I hope. There we go. That probably can be smaller, but we'll see. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and just do the power. So let's get a clutch. And then speed. Not speed, I know we need a gearbox. Gearbox. Which I'm gonna do it facing towards the engine. And then that can come out. down. And then that can be angled upwards. And then dragged up to there. And then let's go ahead and get a propeller in here. It's come out like that. Oh, pipe straights, enclose, and then large propeller. There we go. And then I think, and now let's go. I'm gonna go ahead and color code everything. So this is going in. Oh, this is going in. Going, oh, what? Going out. Fuel. Exhaust. And there we go. And then we'll get power, which is going to be orange. And there we go. That should be all finished now. Fuel. Let's see if this thing sinks now that I have all that fuel in there. Alright, let's see. Oh. No, it doesn't, surprisingly. It actually is way out of the... Oh, we didn't even add a spawner, that's why. Let me do that real quick. And then we'll see. I'm thinking this will probably be too much fuel. There we go. Now if we spawn it in. It still seems kind of light. I'm gonna go ahead and make it, or go and do a little bit of like an engine room to make it look a little bit nicer. So I think we'll have a door like right here that comes down, so we can have we'll just have like we'll have these coming down onto here. And then you come down. Oh, yeah, I think there'll probably be a wall right here. Boom, alright. And so you can come check out the engines and make sure they're doing alright. I think we'll add batteries over here. There we go. Everything should be hooked up, which it is, it looks like. This one I don't think is. No, it's not. Here, let's just... Yep, everything's hooked up. Okay. And let's go ahead and put a door in. If you guys want to see more Stormworks, make sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. 100%. Alright. I think I'm just gonna have, whoops. I think I'm just gonna have this kind of come up. Oop. Come up like, like this if I can get it to work. There we go. Probably even just keep it like that, so it's kind of like a handrail or something. And then, yeah, that looks good. I think I'm gonna go ahead and head up here and try to get this all hooked up. I think... I'm thinking that we just do this, kind of, and then we'll hook these up to power. throttle. So we'll go ahead and throttle. And then we can put clutch on the other side. Clutch. And then A and D will be rudder. Yes. And then we just need to take this to the throttle. I think I'll make a clutch button, but for right now I just want to get this, check if it's working. Go ahead and put that to right here. And then rudder A and D. Oh, I need to have a button to turn on the pumps. I'll just use one, I guess, right now. Oh, and then two, I forgot about that. Two for starter. And that should be it. Okay, let's see if this thing works. If we go ahead and jump up on the ladder here. Come in here. Let's go check out the engine room, how it looks and stuff. Yeah, it's not bad. You can definitely look at the engines and all that stuff. Yeah, I like those handrail things. But anyways, if we go and come upstairs and let's go and see if I can get this thing working. Pumps on, throttle up. Looks like it's working. And it's a decently fast boat. It can move, that's for sure. Let's see how it handles in waves. It's alright, it definitely bounces around. But I think once we add a little bit more weight, hopefully it'll be better. Alright, so I think I'm going to go ahead and kind of finish up the engine room, kind of make it a little bit nicer. We can have this kind of built up, make it look like it's something. Instead of it just being little blocks sticking out of the wall. And then we can have some just pipes kind of running to make it look a bit more detailed. Let's go ahead and be these like this gray. And then they can come down into like right about here. Why is it? Whoa. What is happening? I'm hitting the straight pipe and it's like not wanting to actually click it. Alright, we can go ahead and bring that down. And then I'm gonna go ahead and have some like these dark blue pipes running into the ground. Or in the water, or whatever. And then we can have some like two right here or something, I guess. And yeah, it's looking pretty good. I like it a lot. We can actually, I'm gonna put another couple ports like right here. Yep. Looks nice, looks nice. Indeed. So I think that's gonna be it for this and for the engine room. I think I'm gonna do a little bit more up here with buttons and stuff, and maybe making a like clutch, I guess. So if we go ahead and let's go ahead and put all this type of stuff up here. We can go ahead and put it like right in here, I guess. Okay. So we can get a switch box. with constant numbers. Okay, so output value will be 1, and then that can go to on, that can go to off, and this can go to the clutch. Signal. Oh, we need a button. We'll go ahead and put a couple toggle buttons here. If I can place one. There we go. So this will be clutch. And then we'll make this pumps, I guess. Pumps. And clutch. It's gonna go to electricity. And then I want to get a starter button. Okay, let's see if this thing works. Or these new buttons work. At least. I'm gonna miss, yep. Hit the clutch, and yep. Make sure the pumps are on. Okay, I want to change around one thing. I want to make sure the... Actually, no, that's fine. Okay. Yeah, that looks pretty good. And then, actually, you know what? I'm gonna have a pipe that just goes straight up. Like that. That looks good. And then... Yeah. I think... Because we got all the engine. Engine room looks pretty good, I think. Yeah. Oh, let's go and name this, actually. Starter. There we go. Alright. I think that's gonna be it for this video, guys. We got engine room and all the engine stuff done, plus controls. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to smash the like button, hit that notification bell, and make sure to subscribe. I will see you guys next time. Bye. This is all that says to leave.